Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make salad mix. First, select your favorite fresh greens, like crisp romaine or tender spinach. It's crucial to wash them thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt. Then, dry them completely using a salad spinner or by gently patting them with clean paper towels. This step is key for preventing soggy salad and ensuring your mix stays fresh longer. Now, let's add some excitement. Incorporate a variety of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, cucumbers, or shredded carrots for extra nutrients and visual appeal. Don't forget to add some crunch with toasted nuts, sunflower seeds, or homemade croutons. For a touch of sweetness, consider adding fresh berries or thinly sliced apples. These additions elevate both the flavor and texture of your salad mix. Proper storage is essential for a lasting salad mix. Always store your dressing separately. Adding it too early will make your greens soggy. Transfer your prepared salad mix into an airtight container. For an extra freshness boost, place a dry paper towel on top of the greens before sealing the container. This helps absorb excess moisture, keeping your salad crisp and delicious for several days. With your salad mix prepped, enjoying a healthy meal is effortless. Simply portion out the amount you need for each serving. You can then customize it with your favorite protein, such as grilled chicken, hard-boiled eggs, or chickpeas. This easy method ensures you always have a fresh, delicious, and customizable salad ready to go, saving you time and promoting healthy eating throughout your week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.